In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this messy top knot. If you find any of the content helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. All of the products that I'll be using, the links to those products will be in the description below. If you have any comments or if you'd like to see some other video that I haven't taken yet about skincare, makeup, health, or hair, please leave it in the comments below. Let's get started. First, you're going to start by taking a section of your hair, just the top part of your hair, and you're going to put it in a little ponytail. So I just actually grab the top part of my hair. First, you want to blow dry your hair and make sure that it's nice and clean. I have another video that will show you how to create voluminous hair, and that's what I use to blow dry my hair and prep my hair. Usually I do this type of hairdo on the second day of my hair. I'll usually blow dry it on day 1, and on day 2 I'll do something different with it. So once you have the ponytail, just kind of tighten it up a little bit, and it looks like this. So now you have a top half of part, or some of your hair somewhat in a ponytail at the top. So now I'm just going to twist my hair at the top and try to make a knot. This might take you a few times. It usually takes me a couple of times to do this to get it to look right, but it is supposed to look messy, so it's okay if it's not perfect. So what I do is I just twist it, and then if you can see here, I'm just pulling it down, and then I'm going to just tie it around, and then I'm going to bobby pin it so it stays in place. So it's not going to be perfect, but we're not looking for perfection here since this is a messy top knot. So if there are any pieces hanging, you can just pin those down. So I just take a few bobby pins and I pin these extra pieces down so you can't see them. Certain things you don't like about it, you can fix it, but like I said, again, it's supposed to be messy. There's a piece here that I really don't like. What I might do is just pin that piece down so it doesn't stick out. Again, you need to just make it the way that you want it to look, but it is supposed to be messy. All right, so actually you can just leave your hair like this. If you don't have a lot of time and you just want to do a messy top knot, you can leave it like this. But what I like to do is actually curl the sides of my hair so it gives it a little bit of volume here. It gives it a different kind of look. Okay, so we're going to start by curling one side of our hair first. I'm going to use the GHD curl wand, or it's called the wave wand actually. It's kind of like more of a square, rectangular-ish curling iron. You can use any type of regular curling iron. This is just the one that I prefer for the type of wave that I'm going to create for the sides. So you want to clip part of your hair back, and depending on how much hair you have, I have a lot of hair, so I have to clip pieces and curl sections at a time. So what you want to do is take a heat protectant spray. Now I like Paul Mitchell, and I'm just going to spray this part of my hair before I curl it, just to protect it from the curling iron. So then what you're going to do is you're going to take a piece of your hair and you're going to wrap it around this. And you're only going to do it one time because you're not trying to create a full curl, you're just trying to create volume on this side of your hair. So I'm going to hold it for quite some time because I have very thick hair. You might not have to hold it as long as I do. And you kind of just want to move it back and forth the way that I'm doing it. And then after some time, you can just pull it down and you see you have a little bit of volume here. So I'm just going to take each piece and do it this way. And I'm going to do the curl in different directions. I'm not always going to do it down this way like I did the last one because I want to create different curls and not all the same. So I'm going to do it the opposite way for the next curl. And I'm just going to alternate between those two types of curls. And then again, I'm just going to move it back and forth a little bit. And I'm going to take it out, and you're going to see I'm going to have this little bit of curl at the top. And so I'm going to do this for the rest of my hair. Alright, so now we have completed one side, and you can see the volume and a little bit of curl as compared to the other side. So now you just want to spray it a little bit, give it some volume here, that we get this little curl here, which gives it volume. So now we're just going to do the other side as well. So now that we've finished the other side, we can just add a little bit of spray on this side as well. This one looks like it has just a little bit more curl, so I'm just going to tone it down a little bit. And then you just kind of play with it to make it look the way that you want it to look. And there you have it, your messy top knot with volume on the sides. So here is the final look. You can just play around with it and give it more volume if you like more volume. If you don't want to curl it at all and you don't want any volume, you don't have to do that either. So this is just kind of a fun, funky look when you're going out. I'll see you in the next video.